Is sexual assault in Canada an indictable offence? That's a very important question. So first of all, sexual assault is considered what to be called a hybrid offence. The Crown can elect summarily or they can elect by indictment. If they elect summarily, that means that the maximum penalty is 18 months if it's an adult victim. If the person's under 16 who's the victim, the maximum is 2 years less a day. But there's a mandatory minimum of a jail term as well if the person's under 16. If the Crown elects by indictment and the victim is an adult, the accused is facing up to 10 years in jail. It's very significant. If the person's under 16 who's the victim, the accused is facing a maximum of 14 years in jail. So under Canada, if you've got a historical allegation, let's say something occurred more than a year ago, well, the Crown has to elect by indictment. There's no question about that. They can't elect summarily. That's the way our system works. So it's considered a historical allegation. Usually those are more serious as well. But the nice thing about that, and I covered it in another video, that's the bad news, of course, that you're facing a more serious indictable offense with more maximum jail term. But the good news is you have a right to a jury trial. So you can elect to be tried in either the Ontario Court of Justice or you can elect to be tried in the Superior Court of Justice. So you may or may not want to elect judge and jury with a view to re-electing, depending on the judge you draw. So there's different strategies involved. But the bottom line is sexual assault's always considered an indictable offense until the Crown elects. So when you're charged initially, it's considered to be indictable. Once the case gets to court, the Crown says, well, is this less than 1 year? Is it more minor offense? It's just, for example, a buttock touching, more minor, or breast grab. Well, the Crown doesn't want to elect by indictment because they're not looking for years in jail. They might be looking for weeks or months in jail, or even no jail, depending on if it's a low-level case. The Crown might elect summarily. So that's it in a nutshell. It's called a hybrid offense. The Crown's responsible for electing, and I suppose the good news, maybe the only bit of good news if it's by indictment, is at least you get more election rights, a right to a jury. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.